Morning student. Today I teach you lesson 9 medieval period from your history portion. In this chapter we study about the middle history of India and the world. As we know, As we know, the history is generally divided into three periods: the ancient period, the medieval period, and the modern. In previous class, in 6, we study about the ancient history, and in this class we study about the middle period of Indian history and world. In Europe, the period from 5th to 5th century CE is known as the medieval period, whereas in India, the period from the 8th to 8th century CE is known as the medieval period. During this period, several important changes took place in the social life, economic life, and the political life of Europe, America, and Asia. During the medieval period of Indian culture was highly influenced by the changes that took place in the other countries. These influences are evident in the culture, administration, economy, language, and religious belief of the people even today. Now we are study about the some source of information which give us about the information of medieval period. There are two main sources of information of medieval period are literature and archaeological finding. In literature of this period consists of the religious work and commentaries which is based on the Puranas, Smritis, etc. Also, we get information about the social, economic, political, and the military conditions of that period from non religious works, and the autobiographies, orders of rulers, and the letter written during this period also help us to know the life of the people during this period. For example, the Prithviraj Raso, which is a book written by Chand Bardai, describe the administrations and the life of the people in North India during the rule of Prithviraj Chauhan. Some rulers encouraged the writing of historical account. The well-known works of this history of this period are Tehqiq-e-Hind by Alberani, Akbari by Abul Fazl, etc., which are written mainly in Persian. The travel account of foreign visitors like Ibn Battuta, Marco Polo, Bernier are also important source of information about that time. The important achievement of this period was the paper, which encouraged the writing. Manuscripts are the main source of information of this period. Do you know what is the meaning of manuscript? Manuscript means handwritten document. Manuscript provide a lot of information to historian. 8. The first phase of the development during this period makes their work very hard. The movement of people in search of opportunities resulted in exchange of ideas regarding agriculture, weaving, food, etc. In this period, there is also the great technological development like the Persian wheel, spinning wheel, etc. Excavations of the medieval towns, sarais, and villages, along with paintings, monuments, and sculptures, coins, and inscriptions, also give us a lot of information about the different part of the society and culture. Okay, thanks student. If anyone have any doubts, any problem, any words, any sentence, please ask question.